Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a 2007 Ford Edge. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks and shorts. Remove the engine cover and serpentine belt, then loosen the alternator mounting bolts. Keep fasteners organized and note electrical connector locations. Test the new alternator on the bench if possible, then reinstall in reverse order and verify charging voltage at idle to confirm success. Before you begin, gather tools and the correct replacement alternator for a 2007 Ford Edge. Use a torque wrench for final hardware and a belt tool to release tensions safely. Label or photograph connectors and bolt locations to speed reassembly. Inspect the serpentine belt and tensioner and replace if worn. Keep a multimeter handy to check voltage after installation and confirm the charging system is performing correctly before finishing up. Begin by removing the engine cover and any obstructing components to access the alternator. Use the belt tool to relieve tension and remove the serpentine belt, keeping its routing in mind. Disconnect the electrical connector and battery cable from the alternator, then remove mounting bolts and take out the old unit. Compare the old alternator to the new one to confirm compatibility, transfer brackets if needed, and prepare for the reverse installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.